Honorable Allahabad High Court has dismissed a writ petition filed by Pinsu Singh seeking appointment on compassionate ground in the State Bank of India. While rejecting the plea on account of delay and laches, the Honorable Court also pulled up the bank for its inaction and imposed costs of Rs 1 lakh to be paid to the petitioner within 2 months. Honorable Court in this case has dealt in detail regarding the rationale and purpose of appointment on compassionate grounds. Honorable Court has inter alia held that the sole purpose of compassionate ground appointments is to provide prompt financial succor to the family of the deceased government employee which faces sudden financial destitution as a result of the death of the employee in harness. The appointments on compassionate grounds have passed the test of constitutionality by a slender margin and on the above grounds alone. Appointments on compassionate grounds give a sheltered entry to the dependents of a deceased employee into government service without the rigor of an open selection procedure. The competitive merit of candidates is of no relevance since the appointments are made without adopting the public selection procedure. Norms of recruitment are completely relaxed for appointment on compassionate grounds. However, the law requires the applicants to possess minimum qualifications for the posts. Honorable Court further held that the legislative intent and judicial rationale for appointment on compassionate grounds is subserved only when an application for appointment on compassionate grounds is made in quick time and in near proximity to the death of the employee. No delay can be brooked in the applications for grant of appointment on compassionate grounds. Honorable Court also held that the delays can be of two types, namely delay in filing the application and neglecting to prosecute the same before the authorities, and laches in invoking the writ jurisdiction after the failure of the authorities to process the application in an expeditious time frame. Delays of both the aforesaid categories are fatal to the legitimacy of the claim for compassionate appointments. In such cases, the rationale for compassionate appointment does not survive due to the said delays or laches. In fact, pretty often such delays reflect an entitlement culture which has taken root by over-liberal attitude in grant of compassionate appointment. Further, filing such applications or writ petitions after an inordinate delay also evidence a misplaced view that such appointments are a vested rights. The law has clearly set its face against the delays of both kinds as discussed earlier.